It's time to plan financially for 2023, but as you gear up to make your personal finance resolutions for the new year, be extra careful with this ever-high inflation and looming recession risk. Why is financial planning important? The war in Ukraine and the threat of war on Taiwan fuel this latter danger. In addition, the economy remains vulnerable to COVID-19-induced lockdowns in addition to the usual stock market uncertainties in the coming year. Therefore, it is important to protect your personal finances, and in this regard, experts recommend 10 new decisions to achieve exactly that. Financial Planning 2023, Time to Act. Refine your decisions to match your individual needs. You always want to look for what works for your particular circumstances, said Meredith Stoddard, Vice President of Life Event Planning, Fidelity Investments. Resolution number 1. If you don't have an investment plan, prepare one. If you're trying to lose weight, it's not going to happen if you ignore the whole thing, said financial planner Judith Ward, Director of Thought Leadership. It's the same with investments. Decide how you want to achieve your financial goals. Especially with the diversified portion that focuses on the money coming out of your portfolio, choose an asset allocation and stick with it. Focus on every step. In this quarter of the year, you will do such and such. The next quarter, you'll do something else. This will improve your odds of success. Rebalancing after market fluctuations. Resolution number 2. Rebalance even the diversified portion of your investment portfolio. Market volatility over the past year may have damaged your assets and deviated far from your expectations. If your allowances differ by 3% to 5% from your target amounts, rebalance, Ward said. But remember, rebalancing taxable accounts can result in taxable capital gains. Decision number 3. Build your emergency savings fund, said Paul Schatz, President of Heritage Capital. As a general rule, people should aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses in case they lose their job or source of money. You want to provide enough financial cushion so that you don't feel pressured to take advantage of your retirement savings. Pay off debts and reduce expenses. Decision number 4. Pay the debt, Ward said. In difficult times financially, one of your main goals should be to reduce your expenses. Fixed costs like a mortgage are hard to cut, especially when interest rates are rising. In contrast, credit card debt is a better target.